Unleashing the power of the J35 Pro 3D printer with Stratasys PolyJet technology. Are you looking for a 3D printer that can bring precision, accuracy and speed while delivering high quality and detailed 3D printed models with more than one material? Look no further than the J35 Pro 3D printer powered by Stratasys PolyJet technology. When it comes to producing high quality 3D printed parts, no other desktop resin 3D printer can compare to the J35 Pro. Let's explore some of its unique features and benefits. Did you know that the J35 Pro can create parts 4 times faster than any other resin 3D printers? It's true. With a time to part that's lightning fast, you'll be able to get your presentable prototypes the same day, with color and transparency options for grayscale shades. The J35 Pro also excels in part accuracy and quality, delivering near-injection molding surface quality and detail that will blow you away. The choice of matte or glossy surface finish provides the best possible visual match of the prototype with no blemishes or visual support touch points at all. What's more, the J35 Pro boasts an easy-to-use, office-ready printing workflow, with print preparation taking just minutes. Prepare a multi-material, multi-part print tray fast and say goodbye to complicated processes and hello to seamless 3D printing that you can rely on. Another huge advantage is low cost of ownership. By scaling your in-house prototyping without the incremental costs of increased manual labour, the J35 Pro keeps your costs down as the volume of printed parts increases. In addition, you have 3 loaded material cartridges ready to be used to the last drop, allowing you to print multiple parts and materials together, cutting down on post-process and assembly time. But what sets the J35 Pro apart from all other desktop resin 3D printers on the market is its incredible PolyJet technology. With vivid detail and smooth surface finish that's simply unbeatable, the J35 Pro is capable of producing parts that will leave a lasting impression. So why settle for anything less? Join the revolution in prototyping and product development with the J35 Pro 3D printer, the ultimate machine that takes engineering to new heights. Make it with Stratasys.